Good morning, everyone. This is Archana. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome in the maths class of grade 2. So, in grade 2, we will start from the chapter 2. Addition. Before we start the addition, firstly we will have to learn what is addition. Firstly we will have to learn what is addition. See, the addition is to bring two numbers together and make a new total. And addition is a first operation of maths. There are 4 operations in maths and addition is a first operation. Now, use of addition in our daily life. We can use the addition in shopping. We can use in shopping shopkeeper as well as customer. We can use the addition in family building. We can use the addition in money exchange, etc. Now, from where did addition originate? So, addition originate from the number bond. In the number bond, there are 3 boxes. At the top box, we will write the total and whole amount, and the 2 box which connected to it, we will write the part of this whole amount. Now, we can understand the addition by the number bonds and number line. So, to understand it more clearly, we will take an example. Addition more clearly. To understand the addition more clearly, we will take the example. Here we have 2 numbers, 55 and 4. So we will add these numbers by the number line and by the number bond. So firstly we will add these numbers by the number line. So if we want to add 4 numbers in 55, then we have to count forward directions and we count 4 steps forward. है ना? We will have to go 4 steps forward. So we will make a number scales in which we will write the number from 50 to 60. And now from 55 we will go in forward directions 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this we will get the number 59. So the sum of 55 plus 4 is 59. Now we will learn this addition by the number bond or by the ones, so in the form of tens and ones. See, in 55 we have 2 numbers, 55 and 4. In 55 we will see the place value of this 5 is ones and the place value of this 5 is tens. So the place value of this 5 is ones, so we will write 5 ones here, and the place value of this 5 is tens, so we will write 5 tens here. Now come to the number 4. In number 4, the place value of number 4 is ones, so we will make 4 blocks of ones, but the place value of tens in 4 is 0. There are 0 tens, so we will write this 55 and 4 like this. We can write this 55 and 4 numbers like this. Now we will add ones with ones and tens with tens. So firstly we will add ones. Now count the whole blocks and tell me the sum of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 ones. See, 5 ones plus 4 ones makes 9 ones. Now add tens. So firstly we will count the tens in the 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here the number of tens is 0. So when we count the whole blocks, then we will get 5 tens. 5 tens plus 0 tens is equals to 5 tens. So we can write this 5 plus 0, 5 tens plus 0 tens is equals to 5 tens. So by this way we will get the total 59. Now we will write this total in the form of number bonds. See, in number bonds there are 3 boxes. At the top box we will write the total amount, and the total amount is 59. And here we will write the part. The first part is 55 and the second part is 4. Now we will write this addition in the addition sentence. So this is the form of addition sentence. 55 plus 4 is equals to 59. Now our next topic is addition without regrouping. To understand this, we will take the example of this. There are 2 girls. One girl has 111 marbles, whereas other girls has 114 marbles. Now how many marbles do both they have altogether? So to count this, firstly we will have to understand the place value of each number. Tina has 111 marbles, whereas Sia has 114 marbles. Now how many marbles do they have together? Do they have all together? See, in 111 the place value of this one is ones, so we will make one block, and the place value of this one is tens, so there are 1 tens, so we will make 1 ten. And the place value of this one is 100, so there are 100, so we will make 100. Now the place value of 4 in 114 is ones, so we will make 4 ones, and the place value of this one is 114 is tens, so we will make 110. And the place value of this one is 114 in 114 is 100, so we will make 100. Now we will add ones with ones, tens with tens, and 100 with 100. See, firstly we will add ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will get 5 ones. Now we will add tens, 1 tens and 2 tens. It will make 2 tens. Now we will add 100. 100 plus 100, it will make 200. So firstly we will add ones, 4 plus 1 5, then we will add tens, 1 plus 1 2, and then we will add 100, 1 plus 1 2. So the total amount of the marble is 225. Now we can write it in the addition sentences. 111 plus 114 is 225. So Tina and Sia have 225 marbles altogether. Now we can write this addition in the number bond form. So here we will write the total and whole amount, that is 225, and here we will write the part 111 and 114. So this is the whole summary of addition and addition without regrouping. So here one thing we should know, that what is about the regrouping. Here the regrouping means there is no carry. There is no carry forward. Thank you for staying with me.